Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your location on LinkedIn. This is especially useful if you've moved, you're targeting a new market, or you run an online business like a Shopify store and want to appear in searches for a different city or region. So let's say, for example, I have this Bratislava location and I want to change it. Maybe I've relocated, or maybe I want to attract clients or partners from another area. So how you can do this is simply go to your profile, then choose Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn lets you manage how your account and profile information appear. And from here, in Account Preferences, you need to find those profile information. This section controls the public details people see when they visit your profile. And here, you can change your name, location, or industry. So we want to change location, so click on this. Your location plays a big role in search visibility and who LinkedIn shows your profile to. And from here, you need to scroll all the way down to location. And here is my location, so let's say I want to change it. So I'm going to type other city, and then you just need to click Save. You can choose a nearby city, a new country, or even a major business hub if it fits your goals. The change was updated, so now I have this city instead. Your profile will now reflect the new location right away. And this is how you can change your location. You can also do this same with your country, which is helpful if you're expanding your Shopify store internationally or targeting customers in a different market. Thanks for watching. If this quick tip helped you fine-tune your LinkedIn profile and make it work better for your business, give the video a like. It really supports the channel. And if you're building a Shopify store or just getting started online, make sure you subscribe for more simple, practical tutorials you can use right away. I'll see you in the next video.